have to just complete your point, and you have to complete your point.
Just
But
let-
we have to take it a lot, a little bit of
you-
one gap, and you are saying that
but you
after
know that
drinking
thing,
and we
but you
beat
know
our
that thing,
housewives,
that we should
it's
take
our
it,
mind. It's our mind. We have to.
so the way to say it is
Why? He is continue. You are stopping yourself. Why you are stopping yourself? You have to continue. Good evening, everyone, and to all of you also. Well, my name is Mansi, as you know that, and today I and my both students are going to discuss a topic is that alcohol should be banned or not. So, I would like to ask both students in which side you are. Alcohol
Ma'am,
should be banned or not?
I'm the favor of alcohol should not be banned, ma'am.
Should not be banned. And now,
I'm favor of alcohol should be banned.
okay. So, big clap for both. You have to watch, you have to listen very carefully all each and every point, okay, because that is very important for you to all. If you listen carefully, so that means you get the answers, you get the ideas, you get the opinions also.
So, warm welcome.
Yeah, of course, you have to give you a little introduction.
Let me first warm welcome to all the viewers and the all energetic personalities, beauties sitting here. Well, my name is Natik. Today, I'm going to favor the topic alcohol should not be banned.
Well, my name is Kriti Pandey. Let me first a warm welcome to all of you from the bottom of my heart. And today we got the topic alcohol should be banned, and I am in the favor of alcohol should be banned.
Okay, so why alcohol should be banned?
I think alcohol should be banned because there are many women in our country who suffers a lot because because their husband after drinking they do violence on her, and they suffer a lot.
I appreciate your point, but that is the point that we should take it a little bit or at a quantity from which we don't get means that भूल जाना अपना mind को क्या
Forget,
video
mindless.
from which we can't mindless and out of mind and this is the negative thing of the peoples because a person should not have the addictive of that thing because a person should have the persons are the addictive of tea also, and I think that is also very bad things. So I thought that you have a negative mind.
I appreciate your point, but after taking tea or coffee, people should not beat their wives. But after drinking alcohol, people beat their wives and dominate her.
And destroy the.
I don't think that here is a point to beat the wife, but here is a point to lose our body. Means that if you drink a lot of tea, which is containing more sugar, it affects our body. It will take the higher our sugar level, and it's very harmful for our body. You know that, so it's not the point. I think.
Your means is that if we drink a lot, so we beat our wife, and doesn't matter our health issues.
No, I said that alcohol also affect your liver, kidney, and and your other body parts. But I think alcohol should be banned because there are many violence cases. There are many crime cases increase because of alcohol. Because when you read newspaper, you always मैम तुम हमेशा ऐसे देखोगे
You always find out.
you always find out that there are cases maximum because of alcoholic person like वो truck drivers because truck for example truck drivers driving their trucks after drinking. And there and in road people police also check their check their
Physical activity.
physical activity, but no one can मैम रोकने की क्या होती है, no one can stop them, and there are many accidents in our country just because of alcohol.
I'm not saying that the alcohol is good for our health. I'm saying we should drink it a little bit. Means that in our from which we can't get mindless. And I think that the alcohol, you have negative mind that you are saying that alcohol affects the body. It also help in taking making the medicines. Many medicines, and it helps to cure
Like
from
children.
many diseases, and the many children of them has
When
taken
suffer
has
from this cough,
cold cough influenza like this disease. We take the some little bit like a one cap of a bottle for cure from it. And I think the for medicine also it is used, so you can't say that it is very harmful, but you should have to drink in a proper, means that only at a one cap to reduce our sleepiness in the, because the truck driver used to drink it to reduce his sleepiness, because they drive a lot in the night
Long
day, both day and night. That's why.
Firstly, how can you say that I have
How
negative?
can you say that? Just
Firstly,
explain
how
it.
can you say that I have negative mind?
Because you are saying that.
I am talking just genuine points. Genuine points. Okay. So first listen.
So you are saying that it affects our it affects our body a lot.
So you also-
but I'm
but
saying
you
that.
also said
but
that-
I'm saying that we should take it.
Don't listen to
little
anyone.
bit.
Don't listen to anyone. You have to just complete your point, and you have to complete your point.
Yes,
But
yes.
we have to take it a lot, a little bit of
you-
one cap, and you are saying that
But you
after
know that
drinking
thing-
it, we
but you
beat
know
our
that thing,
house lives.
that we should
it's
take
our
it-
mind. It's our mind. We have to.
ऐसे तो कोई दूसरे की नहीं सुनता।
Why? He is continue. You are stopping yourself. Why you are stopping yourself? You have to continue. You have to raise your volume.
Ma'am, I think we should first an active listener.
No. There's
No,
no
in
need. You
debate-
have to
in-
speak.
you
are
have
in debate.
ever
What is the
listened to
matter of the
debate?
debate?
It is just a conversation. not a
No,
debate.
it's a
You have to
debate.
debate. When the topic is going to be argumentative, then you have to raise your voice. Okay? तभी वर्ड्स आते हैं जब एकदम से प्रेशर
गुस्से में
पड़ता है
तो
ना,
मैं भी
या
कुछ
वर्ड्स
नहीं
आते
बोलती।
हैं। अगर मैं आप में से किसी को एक थप्पड़ मार दूँ ना, शायद आप मेरे पर चढ़ जाओ। ओके, नारा कैसे मुझे?
Ma'am,
तो
how-
कैसे बोल रहे हो?
ma'am,
How
I
is it
said in
possible?
the negative mind, so how she said? However, can you say that?
Okay, just speak up.
You think like we should contain it a little
little
bit.
bit,
What is the
but,
guarantee of that? What is the guarantee of that? People are should take out only little bit.
Yes, and
Because many people of them like children who had a cough, they drink little bit, not they drink a one glass or two glass or
but
two
I am talking
bottles.
about labors. I am talking about labors.
Okay, they also take one half glass to reduce his.
You will go and watch
No,
them.
no.
You will go and watch them.
Yeah, definitely I'll watch him.
But you
Because
can see only a single person.
they
not
they
all
go
the
they
labors.
they
You can
they
see
do
only a
they
single
done his
person.
work at the night and gone to just sleep at the night, and they drink
What is the
a little
purpose
bit.
behind? What is the purpose behind?
What do you mean by purpose behind it?
As you are saying, we have to take little bit.
Ma'am,
What is the purpose
ma'am,
behind?
purpose behind to just reduce our tiredness
So
and
there's no any
sleepiness.
options other? Why
No,
we
ma'am.
take like that only alcohol? Why we
No,
use
ma'am.
only alcohol? Yeah.
Ma'am, we can also use coffee like ma'am, but it affects more us ma'am than the alcohol, because alcohol, if we take alcohol in larger amount, that from that
But
it
you
will
know that
affect us.
point, na? All the labors
If we
and
will take
all
it
the
at
labors
the little
don't
bit,
know all
it
the
don't
points.
affect us. It don't affect us.
How
It
can you
just
say
help
that?
us to reducing our.
Clap for Natik.
Alcohol should not be banned. Alcohol should not be banned.
Yes, we can say that. We can say that. Please prove your point and say. Please prove yourself.
You know that. We
I don't
should,
know.
So you know what?
You said that, you know.
Alcohol is the power of GDP also. Alcohol is the power of economics also.
You are
government.
telling. it's a cheating.
Alcohol is also.
No, I'm side of yours.
तुम्हारी
These
side
all
है.
are statement of your side.
तुम्हारी side है.
What are you
तभी
saying?
हार रही हूँ.
Okay, okay. Just go back, have your seat. Now the next turn is that Rudra. Please come here. Yes. Tanya. Stop करिए, चलो stop करिए.